Quick landscape quote here, $4,300 to install a brand new landscape in this condo association at this specific unit. Very basic landscape. This does not include sprinklers. So $4,300 to put down 12 yew shrubs in order. Build up grade with 1.5 yards of screen topsoil. Then plant 12 densiforme yew shrubs. So 6 here, 2 here, 2 here, and 2 here. It's going to match the neighbors across the street, just very basic and simple. After the yew shrubs are planted, then we'll plant 6 rose shrubs. And then up in the corner, this corner or that corner, we're going to plant a blood-good Japanese maple tree. Then we're going to dig out the edge and put in 50 feet of black diamond edging installed. 250 square feet of high quality weed barrier fabric and pins installed. Then we're going to bring in 1.5 tons of decorative stone. It's called Slatescape. 1.5 tons of Slatescape stone. He's testing the sprinklers right now to see if they work. And then, so that's it. Done. It looks like the sprinklers might hit everything we need, so that's it right there.